How beautiful is it? My DIY tutorial just finished, yay! Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Mila Madestri Parwati. Today I would like to show you how to make a simple lantern in your house. First of all, let me show you the ingredients that you need. The first one, you need scissors, pencil, glitter, glue, ice cream stick, tissue paper, and also candle. The first step, you need to arrange the ice cream stick. This look like the stair. Put it one by one, just like this. Don't forget to put glue in it. And after that, let it dry. The second step is cut the tissue paper. I have the two colors of the tissue paper here. Cut following the ice cream stick pattern. The pattern is start right here into right there, not full of it, okay? And the result is like this. The third step, take the tissue paper with you, put glue in it, and also an ice cream stick, and put it on. After we finish, like this, let it dry. And the result is just like this. Now, let's start to arrange them together. The result of the lantern just look like this. Let's try it with the candle. Our home lantern tutorial just finished, yay! How beautiful is it? If you like my tutorial, please kindly like and comment. See ya!